Hi everybody, my name is Gertrude Frederick Lukumai, and I'm going to tell you all about the project that's going on right now. It is known as Wigan Project. The entire name of our project is known as Wigan, and it does mean that without God, Africa is nothing. And we as Wigan members, we decided to deal with the whole Africa and not Tanzania only, just because we need to make Africa for the better future generation, the coming future generation. Instead of dealing with Tanzania only, we decided to deal with all Africa. And talking about the time frame of our project until now is almost like 11 months until now, and we're still going on because it's an ongoing process. And actually, the targeted audience of our project is all about all special groups, including the orphans, women's, children's, disabled people, all kinds of disabled such as deaf, dumb, and blind also, and all etc. And our geographical scope of our project, talking about geographical scope, we aim to reach all of abroad because we deal with the whole Africa, entire Africa. That's why our geographical scope will reach until abroad. And actually, the main sustainability plan of the project, as I said before, we are dealing with the special groups only by now. And what to tell the audience, the ones who will be watching us right now, we're telling them that they should contribute, they should give us hand, because our motto is let's empower together for the better Africa for the coming generation. That's all about what I can tell you about the introduction of the project known as Wigan Project. Let's empower together for the betterment of Africa for the coming future generation.